Well, we had the guys from Future Automotive come in today and install. This is a 10,000 pound Hoffman. Got it installed. And we had them put a 12,000 pound heavy duty Hoffman in. It's all, the floors and everything's all reinforced. I think it's 10-inch or 12-inch or something like that with rebar. And then there is the new Hoffman camera operated alignment rack. This is the new big dog from Hoffman, one of the more expensive ones, so that will get put in soon. And then we worked on a lot for a little bit, and we worked on this today. All those piles of manifolds and fuel injection lines and everything else that was filling all these shelves, that was all the way out to here. We got like a big 12-foot box truck Isuzu in here, loaded everything up inside that thing, got it all hauled off. All this big piles of metal and stuff that were all through here intertwined. It was 5,450 pounds of nothing but intake manifolds, water pumps, throttle bodies, fuel injection lines, just littering this whole thing. But we got a guy that actually gives more money for the rotors than other people do, so we're going to call him tomorrow and have him come pick those up and have him come pick up the radiators. And then the tire people are coming in the next day or two to get all the tires out of here. They actually pay us for the tires, so they're going to come clear all that out. So this whole row here will be cleared out, and then we need to go through and get all the plastic pieces and stuff thrown away. And this shelf broke down and torn out of here, so that's going to go out to scrap next, and then this shelf next, and that shelf next. Both of these shelves will be ripped down, and then we'll store the pallets up there at the end of the shop. And when we need it for parts or sending an engine back or something like that. And then all this plastic over here from accidents and loader covers that got ripped off and stuff, and covers that may have not been put back on over the years, that will be taken care of next. But huge improvement over here, because this was like debris and stuff all the way out here. You could barely fit through here. 5,350 pounds of metal hauled out of here today. It literally took hours to go through everything to get everything off the floor. And we still have 2 engines underneath here. There's 2 engines there. And then there's like a couple engines over here. Yep. There's an engine. And there's an engine. There's a transmission right there. I think it's a Mercedes transmission. I don't know. And then there's the 2 drive-on ramp. Big, giant, heavy pieces that got to be carried out of here. Yeah, I mean, it's slowly coming together. Well, that's kind of what's going on around the shop. I had a guy from AutoLogic call me today. If you don't know who they are, the aftermarket scan tool company. They deal a lot with BMW, Porsche, Mercedes, as well as other makes and models as well. We're trying to get together on one of their newer updated scan tools, and they have me scheduled for an online seminar, I think Thursday 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna keep continuing and keep learning, so I can then turn around and teach and learn you guys what I learned. But other than that, I'm out of here. Sorry for the short video today, but it is what it is. There's maintenance around here and getting this place built back up. Remember, if you haven't done something kind for somebody today, please do so. If you haven't said something nice to somebody, or if you haven't checked on somebody that you wouldn't normally check on, please do so. It doesn't cost anything to be kind, and it's very stressful and costs a lot of energy to be negative. Y'all be blessed. I love you. Take care. And thanks for supporting the channel as always. Peace out.